Yeah, I can't do it. Hi guys, another video, but this time it's going to be completely different. What we're doing with my son and Adam's unit, and we are going to be filming their ICB tanks. Okay, this is a mega system because it's 3,000 litres, and it can be used, initiated by using a phone app. It can fill the tank really fast, so about 70-80 litres a minute. This is actually working out. It's incredible, and you can just use this phone app to do it with. It's amazing. Okay, you can hear it filling up there. It's really fast. Slight leaks there. It doesn't matter. That's being caught with this carpet. But here it's been installed with a submersible pump, and what they've had to do, there's Tristan, what they've had to do is cut the top of this one out, unfortunately, but it doesn't really matter, and tape it up again because the pump wouldn't go through the neck. And then they've connected these in series, and this is all you need to do if you need capacity like this. There's 3,000 litres here with these IBC tanks, and they will fill up one to the other and stay at the same level. Even when it's being used to fill the van itself, okay, all these levels will stay the same because they're all interconnected at the bottom, and that's how you need to do it. However, all this system is going to be replaced soon, and they're going to get a specially made system. What's it called anyway?
Lee Martin. It's just a system from Lee Martin.
Yeah.
Blade right, and we're going to have a silo tank in
big
here,
silo tank which will replace
5,500 litres.
5,500 litres.
Yeah.
Wow, that's incredible.
This pipe will be changed as well, so we'll have a 2-inch diameter solid pipe. So the pump that will pump that out will pump it out at 225 litres per minute.
Hell, that is amazing. But when you're increasing the size of your business, one of the main problems that people will find, that you're going to find, is capacity. It's a capacity problem. Okay, this is a commercial unit and they're on commercial rates, and it's all been plumbed in though, but the new silo system will be plumbed in properly, be fully automatic and protected, and at the moment it's filled up from here with the tap, so it's got to be watched, but the new silo system will all be automatic. So there you go. If you're going to increase the business, it's what you're going to need. Okay, there's just 2 vans at the moment, but I can tell you that this is what you'll need. So there you go. That's a completely different type of video in a commercial unit. So from me, it's job done.